Slow down. Never commit suicide. Everything's gonna see all right.
Yeah, you got Hoover killer on his cover.
Somebody said Lupe is a great man, cuz. I don't think she is a nice lady.
Hey man, y'all just having y'all pick going on, man.
Lupe is a great woman. At Christopher Cannon, 300, email CMACBOOKINGS@gmail.com. Yeah. All the sway, Chicago.
I'm in LA, man. If anybody else in South Central Los Angeles, do y'all see this boy walking around?
How much fire chill with Crip Mac 5 a day? Well, it depends, sir. I'll give you a half off if I can bust your wife's coochie and ass open. If not, it's full price.
It's the bag on his head for that tattoo, bowhead tat.
I text your cousin. He said, "Where you at, Bubble?" King fingers.
The real street say the Hoover's taking too long.
Yeah.
It's either gonna be speedy recovery, or it's either gonna be R.I.P. Like, come subscribe to my little channel. Gang banging is real. We about to see.